This product is doing 100,000 units a month on Amazon, generating around $8.8 million in monthly sales. But the interesting part isn't just the sales. It's what this brand was doing behind the scenes to keep creating demand.
When I looked deeper, I found they weren't relying only on Amazon ads.
They were building attention outside Amazon through creators and short form content. Creators were introducing the product, educating customers, and creating conversations around the brand. Over 90 days, TikTok generated around $39,600 in GMV.
So now let me show you how to actually see what your competitors are doing on Kalodata.
First, go to the store section and find competitors in your category. Once you open a store page, focus on three things. First, where their sales are coming from. Are they winning through creators, live streams, or organic traffic? Second, who is driving their sales? Check their top performing creators, their audience size, content style, and sales performance. Third, which products are driving their growth? Look at their best-selling products, pricing, and the strategy behind them. And if you want to track them over time, simply follow the store and monitor their latest sales trends, creator partnerships, and new product launches.
This is how you stop guessing and start seeing exactly what your competitors are doing.